Hello, everyone. I'm Dory Morales with Green Living Magazine, and I'm super excited to be here. Green Living Magazine is really happy to partner with Neighborhood Ventures. And what I love about Green Living events is it's a great way to connect with your community. You never know who you're going to meet. It could become your best friend, it could become a business partner. And
You're an investor in our country club project, and we just did our event there. What were some of the things about what we did there that kind of stood out to you that were uh, good from an environmental standpoint? Other than the fact we didn't tear down the building,
Yeah.
we decided to use it.
I thought you currently are renting to short-term rentals, and now you went in and worked with a hotel and reused furniture. So, repurposing furniture is a huge something that's really great for the environment because when you go out and you buy new and all the toxins and chemicals that are put into new furniture and things like that. So, I think you get an A plus for that. And then I know that you could have went in and replaced all the bathtubs, and you did not do that. You refinished them and repurposed them, as well as all the cabinets,
Yep.
which you can give cabinets a whole new look as opposed to pulling them out and then you have to donate them to Habitat for Humanity or Stardust, which are two great, awesome organizations. But it's much better to just use what is already there. And then and some of your other projects, not on this one specifically, but you do a lot of zero waste, zero scaping, or not zero waste, zero scaping, and low water usage, which I think is really fantastic.
At our country club property, you're right. We went and bought the furniture from JW Marriott in North Scottsdale. They were remodeling, and they essentially throw that furniture away, and it's actually really high quality furniture. To your point about the cabinets, if you can keep the cabinets, it does take some work, and you have to have a crew that will go in there and do some of the hard work, sanding down, repainting, resurfacing. But our crew was really excited about the opportunity to do that, and a lot of places don't do that. And in fact, we looked at not doing that, and it's quicker to not do that because you just buy the stuff, and it's great if you can send the extra materials to Habitat for Humanity or Stardust or one of these groups, but a lot of times it ends up in the dumpster. We were really excited with what we were able to do at Country Club and to kind of have not definitely not your endorsement, but the your expertise in helping us to identify some of those areas, and then as we continue to do projects going forward, that's something we definitely will keep in mind.